I am in New York City in Soho. I'm at the Real Real, and as you guys know, they've got a standalone shop here. So I'm excited to share everything with you. They've got such a great collection. I love this top handle Chanel in the pink lambskin. It's beautiful. And this gorgeous classic flap. Again, it's lambskin. This looks like it's pre-2008. It looks like it's probably like 2001. So this is when they had the 24 karat plated gold hardware. So this is plated in gold. It's such a beautiful red color. And then this Birkin behind it is like a deep red burgundy oxblood. And then over here we've got more Kelly's. This looks like a deep forest green with canvas. This is a 25 over here. I love this gorgeous metallic color over here. So beautiful. It looks like it's almost like a hammered metal. That's really nice. And then down here we've got a Kelly cut in this gorgeous orange. This beautiful Chanel tote. And then a gorgeous Birkin. And then this gorgeous tweed Chanel. This beautiful, what color would you call this? Kind of like a mustardy color. This beautiful Chanel here. And then we have the Dream. This I know is a 25. This is in Retorn, so I prefer Cellier style, but this is gorgeous in the noir with gold hardware. This is the 25 size. This is the tweed here. Chanel classic flap. I love that with this gorgeous white handles. Okay, so this is the 25 in blue. This is the 30. As you can see, the 30 looks so little. So the 35s are not that big, because look at it beside a medium Chanel classic flap, right? Like, I couldn't even tell if that was a 30 or a 35 at first, but that is confirmed a 35. This is a 30. This is a 35, again, in the green. But yeah, these are so beautiful. And then here we have, you can see how little it looks right in the hardware. You can tell by the handles and the hardware. Love this, again, in a tweed black classic flap. And then we have another 25 over here next to a 30. This beautiful bright pink color in the croc. This is a lizard in a beautiful burgundy. Lots of tweed classic flaps. And this is one of my favorite yellows. This is called, oh, I'm forgetting the name, but Jaune Amber, I believe it's called. I think that's what it is, Jaune Amber. And Victoria from In the Fro, if you guys watch her, she has this exact bag. I believe in the 25, it might be a 28 her size. This is a 25. And then I love this Chanel classic flap with the top handle. They're just beautiful with the top handle. And then in back here, we've got the beautiful white Birkin with gold hardware. Beautiful. And over here, we've got Vert Cricket Birkin 25 Cellier. Love this one so much. This color is incredible. I mean, it's really beautiful, this color. And then beside it, we've got the 28 Kelly, and this beautiful canvas material with leather trim, and another tweed Chanel bag. We got a cocoa handle here in camel. Look at the double stitching on that. I love that. And then we've got another 35 over here. This beautiful fabric Chanel bag. This really interesting croc Chanel bag over here. It's got no handle, no top handle, and another beautiful tweed bag. We've got a Kelly over here in gold Cellier. This is the 28 size, and it's beautiful. Then here's the Birkin 30 blue. I think this is called Blue Paon, P-A-O-N. I could be mistaken. And this, I believe, the lighting is tough to see, but it's a very pale blue. I think it's bleu pale. I don't think this is bleu brun, because I think bleu brun is a little bit brighter, but this is beautiful. Another tweed Chanel classic flap. We've got the small boy bag in lambskin, another croc Birkin, blue tweed, and we did see this, I believe I showed you, this gorgeous Birkin. This here is a Kelly to go. I love these. They have a little strap. You can wear it as a crossbody. This gorgeous Chanel. And then, did I show these? I don't think I showed these to you, did I? This is a rectangular mini classic flap. And sorry, this is a small. Smalls and rectangular minis, there's not that much of a difference to them, but that's why I prefer the minis compared to a small, but I prefer the medium plastic flaps compared to minis or smalls. And then we've got this beautiful iridescent cocoa handle and this beautiful purple with the tweed. There's this Picotin over here, and then another Kelly. I love this Kelly. This is in the, I think this is the 25 size. It looks like it's in a tan cellier with palladium hardware. It's beautiful. And then they've got the pochette over here. I love this. It's beautiful. I wonder what blue color this is. And they've got a whole jewelry section over here. There's the Saint Laurent bangle. Some beautiful jewelry there. So let's see if I can find some more bags. Ooh, they've got a lot of bags here. Okay. Over here on this wall, we've got some Celine bags, Bottega. I love the mini Jody over here. I love the Celine luggage. This gorgeous Fendi bag. We've got this beautiful Loewe bag over here. Another red Loewe bag. Celine luggage. This Gucci. I love the horse bit details. More Loewe in the back there, the basket bag. Saint Laurent. Gucci. Sac de Jour, a little mini pouch. This is that beautiful Saint Laurent Lulu bag. It's the toy Lulu. I think it's a great bag and pretty good price point. In back it's a Jacquemus basket bag. Another gorgeous Bottega bag in back there, and another Bottega bag in purple. We've got the Nano luggage by Celine here. This beautiful Perot bag by Celine in this gorgeous, kind of like a lime color. Gucci bag in back. We've got the cassette bag with chain here by Bottega. Balenciaga hourglass over here. Gorgeous book tote by Dior. Another Caro bag in silver. This looks like a brand new Louis Vuitton Neverfull in the MM size. Like, look at the patina on that. There's no patina on the vachetta. I've never even seen it this bright before, even in store. Then we've got a Prada bag over here, the Saffiano totes, a gorgeous Louis Vuitton multicolor piece, and another Louis Vuitton little handbag over there. We've got this denim one, some Fendi, some Prada and Dior. This is from the Vibe collection, this Dior bowling bag. A vintage piece from Dior, another multicolor piece. A little Speedy in back there. They've got so many great pieces. Love this. This is the Montagne bag by Dior. I love this color, it's gorgeous. The orange. And this is a vintage Dior saddle bag. So they have lots of clothing here. So many gorgeous vintage trench coats. This is a Burberry trench coat. And let's see what the price point on this is. Wow, this still has the tags on. Some of the stuff that they get is just literally brand new. So it retailed for $2,090 and it's selling here for $1,395. But you can find ones even better price points, like actual vintage ones that are older, which is something I would go for. Look at this beautiful dress. Love that. Let's see who makes this piece. This is by Pat Beau. Love the ruffles on that. We've got some Miu Miu heels here. Some classic Chanel slingbacks over here. We've got quite a few Chanel. These are pretty recent actually. Yeah, these ones have, it looks like they've never even been worn. And what size are they? These are, I can't see what size they are, but I love the little turn lock over here. It's beautiful. And then look at these Miu Miu ones with the pearls. We've got these Prada ones, which are super trendy over here. Let's see what else they have. And then over here, we've got some Manolo Blahnik. These are really interesting. Some Balenciaga over here. Christian Dior, Cult Gaia. Oh, I love these Cult Gaia shoes. These gorgeous Chanel sandals. These Gucci ones look quite vintage. These are quite old and never worn. $750. This was like pre Marmont collection. So the Michael, the current designer, This was before him. These are pretty interesting over here. These are Bottega. These are pretty cool. We've got some Gucci Marmonts. Cult Gaia again. I love these Cult Gaia shoes. Some Dior, some more Chanel. What size are these? These are size 11. Some Saint Laurent, Miu Miu. Got over here some Amina Muaddi and suede. I haven't seen suede ever. I've got these Chanel sandals over here. I love these Gucci ones. They're a flat. And look at that. That is pretty neat. I guess you can, is that stretchy? How does that work? It's really interesting, these flats. Put that back. These Prada ones, some Bottega. We've got this Kelly wallet over here. Beautiful. I love the two-tone of the colors. And as you can see, they've just got so many amazing things. I love the way they've put together this outfit. I love this. Over here, they've got this gorgeous Celine box bag in red. I love the Celine box bags. I always wanted to get one of these, and maybe I still will add one to my collection one day, but they're just such a beautiful bag. And I also love the newer versions, the Celine Triomphe bags. Let's see, this is selling now for $2,500. It said that it retails for $3,100, but again, you can find them for all prices. Let me just close that. Let's see if I can do that with one hand. Here we go, one hand. And then again, I like the way they've put together all of these cute little outfits. Look at this. This is a seasonal patent Chanel bag with the silver hardware, this gorgeous Chanel jacket. This would be my size. I wonder how much they're selling for. Pretty pricey, $11,000. And then did you know that all of the Chanel jackets have these chains to weight them down? I only recently learned that. So all Chanel jackets have these, not sweaters, but their jackets do, to like give it a nice shape and weigh it down. One of the sales associates in New York taught me that, and I thought that was so interesting. And then look at this Loewe puzzle bag in red here. Love that. Look at these beautiful Prada green shoes. And this trench over here. They've got another Birkin over here. This is in ostrich, and it's a two-tone. I've never been a huge fan of blues, but this is really pretty. It's very unique. And then over here we've got a super vintage Chanel bag in patent. It's got the classic bijou chain, another Chanel jacket, and does it have, yep, it's got the Chanel chain. That is so neat. So I think, you guys, this is gonna end the video over here. I hope you enjoyed this little vlog of the Real. I really wanted to stop by and see this store. Love this Balenciaga hourglass, by the way. And then over here we've got these with the little toe. What do we think about these Maison Margiela shoes? Oh, we've got the Sherpa Hermes sandals that everyone's raving about. So yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for lots more New York City vlogs, and make sure you are subscribed. It does help me out so much, and I will see you guys in the next video. And if you want more fashion inspiration, you can follow me at DV Double Vanilla, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.